Hi, my name is Sunil Patel from TEKMETRIC. 2020 was an important milestone year for us as a company. We grew tremendously, both in user base as well as the number of employees that we have in TEKMETRIC. The number of users that have joined our TEKMETRIC team has allowed us to collect feedback from these users based on features that they want. We allow a democratic and consistent process inside of TEKMETRIC that allows users to vote for features that they want. One of the highly requested features of TEKMETRIC in the past year was the labor guide and the issues with the labor guide. We understand that. It has been a very difficult challenge for us as a company to come up with a solution that satisfies everyone's needs. Let's talk about the labor guide for a second. What makes the labor guide right? Is it a higher number? Is it consistency? What is it? We did some research into this and we found out that essentially what our users want is labor times that are consistent across the board and labor times that they're used to seeing historically. And so what we did was we designed a labor guide in TEKMETRIC with the same times that you're used to seeing in traditional repair manuals of the past. It was a very big technical challenge for our team. It took us more than 4 to 6 months of research and development to come up with this new labor guide. But that's not where we stopped. We know that no labor guide is perfect. And so what we wanted to do is create a process within our company to allow for missing labor times. Now, the new labor guide also has what we call add times. Add times are times that you guys are used to seeing in traditional labor guides. For instance, if you are looking at a radiator removal on a BMW, you may be presented with some add times, for instance, removal of the fan shroud or removal of the belt that's also required, and you'll be able to add those labor times inside of the TEKMETRIC labor guide as well. We've also streamlined the process of building estimates inside of TEKMETRIC. It is much quicker now to build an estimate right from the labor guide, as you'll see here. Here we have our job board currently in TEKMETRIC. What I'm going to do is click on this 2010 Infinity EX35. And in that EX35, I'm going to go on an estimate page and I'm going to go to the build screen and search for our new labor guide. In the new labor guide, I can just simply go to a particular item I want and I can open it up and add it labor times that way. But instead, I'm just going to search for alternator. And as you can see here, we now have times for both R&I overhaul R&R as well. This helps transmission shops tremendously. In addition to that, we also have the part. So you can see here, I'm going to add the part and the labor, and I'm going to create my job. And that's how quick you can build new jobs now in TEKMETRIC. I hope you enjoyed this quick preview of the labor guide and what's out to come here very soon in TEKMETRIC.